Well, we've paid for it now, and they weigh you. So we're about to get fitted for our harnesses. Oh God.
Okay, ready? Okay, have fun. Bye.
Yeah, that was so much worse than I thought.
Good morning, another day, same country, still in Germany, the sun's shining, having an adventure today, aren't we?
We are. Well, yeah, we live in Germany actually, aren't we?
Yeah.
And we are heading to the Harz Mountain, which is the Germany Highlands, which we're really looking forward to. We've got a couple of things planned. Very excited. Whether I will go through with it, I don't know.
I hope so. We've just driven literally almost 3 hours for here.
Well, we were heading this way anyway.
Okay.
So we're going to Bad Harzburg, which doesn't fill me with hope. Beautiful sunflowers. They're out now, which is gorgeous because sunflowers are my favourite flower. Note, please, Mark.
Yes.
I think in 5 years you've bought me flowers once.
No, I picked them actually. I picked them.
You picked flowers once.
And that's more important.
Yeah, you picked flowers for me once as well.
Yeah. So.
You don't bring me flowers anymore.
It'd be boring.
What, twice in 5 years?
Well, twice is better than nothing.
Yeah. Much better day today in Bad Harzburg. So we are going to attempt to go up in the cable car, see what we can find at the top. Yeah. So we have our tickets. It's $12.50 each for the cable car. The problem is that we've been waiting 40 minutes in the queue, and the queue's not done yet. So yeah, it's a bit of a long one really. We're watching the weather because the window's open for the dogs.
I'm not sure how long the queue is.
No, once
Come down as well.
yeah, this is the problem. Oh, maybe it wasn't such a good idea after all. We're going to give it a go anyway. So we seem to be making a bit of progress now. This is what we're going to be coming down on, hopefully. So near and yet so far. I think we're going to be the first on the next trip. Oh, no, this poor guy, he's had to come out. That's even worse for them. This is it. This is what we've been waiting an hour for. How exciting. They allow 18 people on. Here we go. It's not the fastest we've ever been up. Oh, there we go. Off.
In the second gear.
Yeah, we found another gear. Hopefully it's going to stay dry. Well, we've paid for it now, and they weigh you. I was so scared they were going to say, no, you're too big. That's more scary than getting on this bloody thing. Oh God, I don't like heights. Oh God, why do we do these things? So we queued about an hour and 10 to get up the hill by cable car. It's a really old cable car as well, and it kind of, when you get landing it like bangs and creaks, but it got us up here. And now we're on a fly line to go back down. Very excited, I think. So this is going to be Mark and I shortly. Oh God, the wind's got up now. Makes it worse because the stairs that we're on, they're see through. Okay, twitchy feet now. just on the stairs. They're loads suspended on a wire. Oh dear. Okay. So we're about to get fitted for our harnesses. Oh god. Before takeoff. Oh god. Oh dear me. Okay. We've got this now. All ready for the terrifying thing to happen. Oh god, why did I agree to this?
Whose idea was this?
Mine.
Okay, next one. Okay, sit down, please.
Okay. Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
Yeah, I'm going to be the first screamer of the day. Oh, okay.
It's okay, it's okay.
Okay, okay. Relax.
So, Alice? Okay, have fun, bye.
Bye. Oh,
So,
oh. Okay.
nächste bitte.
The fear is actually real.
So. Mach dich fest.
We're not going to worry. Just enjoy it.
Okay.
There isn't a gate. I have no control of what I'm doing. I think that's the scary bit. I can't. This is good. I can't stop. I can't get off.
Okay, ready? Okay, have fun, bye.
We're okay. The seats are quite comfortable, if that makes sense. The harness is comfy, which is something. I'm not sure about going around this bend now. Yep, okay. I don't like that. Okay, I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Right, okay. Oh, this is not nice now. Okay, I don't like this. Okay, now shut my eyes because I don't like this. Going round. I don't like this. Oh my god. I don't like this at all. Ouch, shoot. Oh god, I don't like this. I don't like this going around the bend thing. I'm steady going now. I don't like it. Oh god. Okay, I'm spinning around and I don't like it. Okay, this is worse than I thought it would be. Because I thought it was a nice gentle one and it's not. It's very spinny round. Right, I'm just going to shut my eyes now. Yes, that I don't like. I don't like that spinning at all. Oh, at all. I don't like it at all. I don't like it. Mike's down there. He's probably having a lovely time. Me, not so much. I don't like that spinny bit up there. Here we go round again. Oh. Yeah, I won't be doing this again. Just, you know, this is a one-off. I suppose this is very spinny. Oh, it is actually faster than I thought and a lot more spinny. Maybe don't shut it now. I think if I'd have seen this before, I maybe wouldn't have got on. Oh, there we go. There's a spinny bit. Oh, there we go, round and round. Oh, oh, that was a dropper down, that was. Oh, oh, here we go, round. Oh. Oh, I think I can see the end. Oh, no, I can't because I'm backwards. Oh. Oh, this is a horrible bit. I can see it now. It's a real dropper down there. Right, come on, let's shut your eyes. Shut your eyes. Shut your eyes. Oh, God. Oh. 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 Hello. Oh, yes, please.
Stand up.
Oh, I don't know if I can. Okay, I can.
Did you enjoy it?
No.
No. Can you go to my co-worker, please?
Yes.
Come to me.
Thank you very much. Oh.
You're welcome. So, perfect.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Did you enjoy that?
Oh, good.
So much worse than I thought.
Did you enjoy it?
No. I'm glad I did it. Would I do it again? No.
Why?
Because I didn't like the spinning round bit. It was a lot worse than I thought it would be.
But you done it?
I did it. Okay. Now I'm going to go get a beer. So we survived it. That's kind of it. It's very windy, which I wasn't expecting. But we did it.
Well done.
Now we're going to go back to the dogs, bless them. So where you get dropped off at the fly line, you then, it's like a treetop walk, which was included in the cost of the cable car. So you have two costs. You've got the cable car and the tree line walk, which is this one. So the cable car's up over there. And that's £12.50 each. And then the fly line is €15 each, which I don't think it's bad really. We were expecting a lot more, weren't we?
I thought the fly line lasted longer. I thought it was going to be really short.
Oh no, no.
It was a good 5 minutes.
I was hoping it would be short, but no, it wasn't. It was action-packed.
Very spinny.
Very spinny. I think I might have said spinny a couple of times. But this is nice. There's lots of different interactive things for kids to do. It's a shame that we're kind of in a bit of a rush. Not rush, but we're conscious that the dogs have been left for about an hour and a half now. So there we go. I did it. I'm glad I did it.
All up there.
Yeah, you won't see it, I don't think, but it's up in the distance there. It is a lovely day out, especially now the weather's better as well. Yeah. See, when you can see people coming down, they seem to be coming down really slow. But when you're on it, that was the one thing. It's a good job I didn't have brakes, because if I had brakes, I'd still be coming down.
There'd be a traffic jam.
There would be a traffic jam. That was like the roller coaster.
There was no screaming on anybody. Not even
well,
you.
no, I wouldn't have minded if other people would have screamed. I would have screamed, but nobody was screaming. So I thought, oh God. I did tell the guy that I let you off. I could be his first screamer of the day, but I just talked a load of nonsense instead. I think the boy enjoyed it.
Wasn't fast enough.
Oh my God, it was plenty fast enough. It was something different, something touristy that we haven't really done touristy stuff. So it was a treat, that one. We enjoyed it. I'm glad I did it. Wouldn't do it again. There's lots of different little interaction things and information boards. But we're on our way down now. It's not steps to get up here either. It is a slope, so it's going to be wheelchair friendly. A big structure actually. There'll be the obligatory gift shop as you exit. We both need a drink. Water or coffee, of course. Nice. Lovely for kids.
Animals down there.
There's some goats, is it? Yeah, some goats down there.
And a trampolines.
Yeah, it looks a bit unused now. Anyway, I'm not going to spin you round and round like I've just been doing, so. Lovely day. A lovely park. There's a mini golf course over there. Lots of information on the wildlife. Sid and Ivy are having a whale of a time. With a lot of rain yesterday, so the water's not maybe as clear as it has been. The gardens are absolutely beautiful. There's a few more people around today, but I think that's mainly because the sun's now out and it's not raining. It's windy, a little bit windy. It's ever so well tended. Excuse Mark's long socks. I think his trainer socks are in the wash. Just saying about your sexy socks, love. It's a new trend.
Hiking today. I know.
Yes, love. Hiking today. Yeah, it's a really beautiful park in Bad Harzburg. Child in everyone. Mark has found his inner child. Oh God, that was very elegant.